So right here I have some garlic, and I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely garlic tea. All right, we got garlic, we got lemon, and all these things. Yeah, right there, we got everything. So the first thing what we're going to do is get yourself some garlic. Yeah, gonna make some garlic tea. All right, so you just want to simple remove the garlic. All right. Yeah, just want to remove the bits from the garlic, just like this. So we're gonna get 2 cloves of garlic. Once you get the 2 cloves of garlic, you're just gonna simply crush it. All right. Just use a knife and just crush it. All right. So I'm gonna use a glass that you guys can see exactly what's going on right here. So we get 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going to put it straight inside of a glass, just like this. All right. Now the thing is, I wanna say, if you got some fresh ginger, you can use a fresh ginger because that's much better. All right, but I'm gonna just use what I have. All right. I'm gonna put roughly about ½ teaspoon of ginger powder inside of it. All right. Nice one. We're gonna get some lemon. Or you can use some lime. Squeeze it into it. And this is what you want to drink this morning. That is just lovely and amazing. So once you boil the hot water, then what you want to do, pour that an amazing hot water inside of it like this. Nice one. Then give it a mix. All right, so I will make sure to tell you guys that we all know that garlic is very good for you, and ginger is also good for you. All right, it's good for you to drink like a nice lovely cup of garlic tea now and then, and ginger tea. Ginger tea is even good for drink before you even go to your bed. So that is amazing. Secondly, I have this one I want to share with you also. This one is thyme tea. All right, you want to get some fresh thyme, put into a glass just like this. All right. Yeah, nice one. Put 2 slices inside of it. Let's pour some hot water. Beautiful one. Look at that. That is amazing, guys. Look at that. That is just fantastic, lovely, and delicious. And something like this you can also drink in the morning. All right. The thyme tea. This is very good for you, digestion and all these things. All right. Thyme tea is also good for you. You can check it out. Remember, you can check out also the Caribbean Fusion. They have their own detoxing drink also. All right. And also then got this one, the lemon flight, which you can also drink also in the morning. All right. This one is also good. But this morning I decided to do some garlic tea, and that's what I'm doing right here. So this is the garlic tea right here. That is beautiful. And this is a thyme tea. You can drink this one. What you want to do is just put some thyme into the water and you just drink it in the morning with 2 slices of lemon. If you want, you can put some honey, organic honey, or you can, a lot of people like to use sweetener, but me personally, I just drink it natural, all right? But as you can see it for yourself, that is just lovely and an amazing and fantastic, all right? That is good to drink in the morning, all right? If you do not sure about any of these recipe right here, what you can also do is for you to do your research, all right, guys? It's very important. And not only that, it's just good for you to boost up your immune system. So we got some orange if you want. What you can also do is get yourself an orange, all right? Just like this. Yeah, a few slices of an orange. This is another video which I want to share with you. Awesome. I'm gonna just use this glass. What you want to do? This is a vitamin C. Let's squeeze out that beautiful orange juice into the glass like this. Alright, guys? That is lovely. Once you do that, get a few slices. Put it straight inside of it. Alright, so we got some more. That is lovely. Alright, look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. Yeah, so you can drink this one also in the morning. Very, very good for you. What you can do is just put a piece of a fresh mint in it, if you like. Yeah, get some hot water. That is lovely. Alright, you can drink this one. This is like a vitamin C. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. So you can drink this one also in the morning. Very, very good for you guys. So stay tuned in, and honestly, we have a lot more ideas also will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, as I can see exactly what's going on right there. We got the Thyme tea right here. When I mean like the time when you look on your watch, talking about something to drink in the morning. Alright? Very, very delicious drink, guys. And also very good, very good for the cold and also for the flu. Alright? As you can see it for yourself right there. This is it right here in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo this morning. A quick recipe. And also remember, we got the lemon flight. Right, this one is also very good for you. All of the information for this is in the description box, where you can get this one also for drink at home. All right, so please check out the description box and get this recipe. All right, and this one is also good for you to have in the morning also. All right, so yeah, but all of them, guys, is fantastic and an amazing and just delicious. All right, so yeah, really, really nice. There's something to drink early in the morning, and also, you know, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. But if you do not sure, guys, you need to do some research. You know what I mean? It's very important for you to do your research. As I always say in my video, do some research.